Hi, hello, g'day, kia ora, welcome to the studio. I'm Paula from MoxyMojo. Thank you for joining me here in the studio. Well, it is March and it's still Messy Makes March, so that is perfect for making my next installment of my planner. So these are my planner pages. I have printed them out on photo paper. Yes, I know. Just exactly the same as what I did for the first quarter. I haven't changed anything. I'm still pretty much happy with the format of the pages I've got. And I'll just quickly flick through them. I'll just do like... I'll sort them into my months. So I've got 3 of everything. So we've got to-do list, and this is a weight loss tracker, and on the back is my first month or first week, I should say, and this is my habit tracker. And this one, is it all of them? Yeah, I think so. You can see, I don't know if it was the way I printed it, but there's little wee gaps in all of the lines. I mean, they're no biggies. It's for me, so I'm not worried about it. If I was that worried, I could get out a black pen and ruler and straighten them all up, but no, it's not fine. See, I've sorted it out on here for the full, so these are the plain week ones, and no gaps in that. Now this one here is my center page, which is my timeline, and then this one has got the extra week on it because there's 6 weeks in the month, so that goes in my 3rd month, and that's the last one for the year. These ones are just blank, so that's good. It means I don't have to worry about that. I've then got my monthly summary, and of course these are not in the right order. These are just in the order that I printed them off, and that's blank on both sides. So each month has got 4 printed pages in the journal, and I print all of these on, as I said before, photo paper, because rather than using a decorated kit at this stage, I am going to, and you'll see that maybe in the next video, I'm going to get out my re-inkers and colour the pages like I did last quarter. So we have, that's first, that is last, then to do comes in next, and weekly. So that's last month sorted. So we have first, last, that, and that. And then in between each of the pages in the month, I will put 2 pages of either coffee dyed paper, or I might put in magazine pages, just whatever takes my fancy to fill out my planner a little bit. And then this is the cover that I will probably use. I was going to use this for something else, but I've got it made, so I want to use it, and I'll make another cover for the next journal. But this was some fabric I bought to use in a swap years and years ago, and I bought this and another sort of black, I think it was black and white, whereas this is black and cream, of French perfume. Now I can see from this, it's not like straight. This side is good, the back, but the front is up on a, got like almost like a curve. So that's something I need to work on, or choose fabric that doesn't have an obvious straight line to it. But even so, I mean, it's for me, it doesn't matter. I love it anyway, and I love this fabric. And then I love this fabric. And I honestly would not have put the two together, but when you look at them, they do go surprisingly well. Now this was actually a Halloween fabric, but I think it looks stunning whichever way. Tough to pick which way up you want it, because the roses go in both directions, so I just picked one and went with it. But love it. Love, love, love it. I think it's stunning. So yeah, so that's what my planner for Q2 will be. So this is ready to go. I need to colour everything, fold everything, and then sort out some extra pages, and Bob's your uncle. So that will be kicking off pretty shortly. Good news is I don't need to trim these pages down at all, so that's one less task. Probably the next thing I'll do will be actually to find some extra pages to go in the middle, because that may help with the toning of what coloured re-inkers I use. But I do pretty much know what I want to do, because this is essentially my autumn journal. So that's what we're going with. So I'm going to go find some pages to fill in between the printed pages that I've had. I'll think about which re-inkers I'm going to use, and then we're going to put the gloves on and get messy.